Hey guys,
Hey Nanda,
what are you doing here?
I want to implant a tire to compressor.
Oh, that's cool. Can you show me?
Come on, follow me.
Okay.
First step, connect the hose to the stop valve and turn it on. Then open the hood cap cover on the tire. After that, put the air gun on the tire valve. Finally, press the button on the air gun to apply air in. Until the sensor comes up the tire specification.
It's not that hard.
What about you? What are you doing here?
Oh, I wanted to practice using this adjustable wrench. Do you want to see me use this tool?
Sure, that's a great idea.
Okay. First step, open the adjustable wrench by turning the screw mechanism up and down or down. Then slip the open jaw over the nut or bolt and hold in place.
Next step.
The next step, turn the adjustable wrench in a clockwise direction to tighten it or anti-clockwise to loosen it. In this case, I want to tighten it, so turn the adjustable wrench in a clockwise direction. And done. Remove the adjustable wrench by turning the screw mechanism again.
Whoa, thanks for the explanation.
No problem.
Okay, I want to continue my work.
Okay, see you.
See you.